Hello everyone, my name is Billy Jeff Bolani and I'm the CEO of TechCare Digital Solution, and these are my groupmates. My first groupmate and also my co-CEO, Felix J. Menyoso. And also the other VP of Operations, James Benedict Laresma. The VP of Operations, Neil Andro B. Humawan. And this is Lim Jan Paul, the VP Marketing. This is one of the VP Administrative, Jess Tony Menyoso. This is our business plan. TechCare Digital Solution, also known as TDS, is a website that helps people with their technological problem or help them with lacking technological knowledge. And this is TechCare Digital Solution, or also known as TDS. With this, no more tech problem, and say goodbye to your tech lacking knowledge. In a world without lacking knowledge of technology and any software problem, welcome to TechCare Digital Solution. Welcome to